hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the neighborhood. Oh, don't you know when you say hello, you make the world feel oh so good. Hey! 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 Pick up your phone!
How does RingtoneFeeder work? Well, basically, you go to ringtonefeeder.com, you choose from one of our subscription types, you're transferred to PayPal to complete the transaction, you get a username and password, you click on the link and iTunes opens up, and ringtones come automatically. For more details or even try a free demo, visit www.ringtonefeeder.com.
And why not go to GoDaddy.com and use one of our promo codes like Ringtone2 and save an additional $5 off any order of $30 or more. Get your piece of the internet at GoDaddy.com.